Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen tech that might just change how you handle your countertop cooking. Whether you are living in a tiny apartment, preparing for a camping trip in your RV, or you just need an extra burner for those large holiday meals, the ANHANE 1800W electric cooktop promises a lot of power in a very compact package. Let us start with the performance. This is an infrared heating unit, which means it is incredibly versatile. Unlike induction cooktops that require you to buy specific magnetic pans, this infrared stove works with all kinds of kitchenware. Whether you prefer stainless steel, cast iron, glass, or ceramic, this burner will heat it up without a fuss. It offers 9 levels of power ranging from 200 all the way up to 1800 watts. You also get 9 temperature settings between 176 and 510 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of granular control is impressive for a portable device, allowing you to go from a slow simmer to a rapid boil with ease. Safety is always a major concern with high-heat appliances. ANHANE has clearly put some thought into this. It includes a built-in child safety lock, which is a fantastic addition if you have little ones running around. There is also an automatic shut-off function and a non-slip base that keeps the unit firmly planted on your counter while you stir. One feature I really appreciate is the dedicated cooling fan. After you turn the unit off, this fan stays on to dissipate heat quickly and quietly. This not only prevents heat buildup under the device but also extends the overall lifespan of the internal components. In terms of design, it is sleek and minimalist. Measuring roughly 14 by 11 inches, it is easy to tuck away in a cupboard when you are done. The surface is smooth and glass-like, which makes cleanup very simple. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth usually handles most spills, saving you time after dinner. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the sheer versatility of the infrared heating technology is the biggest winner. The fact that you do not need to replace your entire cookware collection is a huge advantage. It is also portable, easy to clean, and offers excellent temperature control. On the downside, because it is an infrared stove, the surface does get hot to the touch, so you need to be careful during and immediately after use compared to induction units that stay cooler. Also, since it is a single burner, it is designed for supplemental cooking rather than replacing a full stovetop. Overall, the ANHANE 1800W electric cooktop is a robust, well-engineered tool for anyone needing a reliable heating source on the go or in limited spaces. It delivers on its promise of power and convenience without requiring expensive specialized equipment. If you are looking for a reliable backup burner, this is a solid contender. Link in the description.